Hi everyone, welcome to my first tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to switch between how to set up the character blueprint to switch between two stances. So when I activate the character's lightsaber, it would switch to a different stance. Now if I deactivate the lightsaber, it will go back to the normal idle stance. So I'm going to show you this process. Okay, first you need to open up the character's blueprint and go to the event graph to where you where you activate the lightsaber or whatever event that caused the character to draw out her weapon. So in my case, the event is the lightsaber activation. So I first create a variable by clicking plus variable. Create a variable called saber stance. Now I drag it into the event graph. Set saber stance. So when I activate the lightsaber, it will go into the saber stance. So I set it to true. When I deactivate the lightsaber, it would go out of the stance. So this is set to false. Now I compile and save. Now I will go to my character's animation blueprint. So you'll have to create a try get pawn owner node. To do that, just right click and type try get pawn owner, and you should have this create it for you. And I've already created a node already. I'm gonna use that one. Just drag a pin out and then type your character, whatever character blueprint name is, you just type that out. Now drag out another pin from your cast to character node, and then search for the variable that you created earlier. Get, this time is you use get, and then take the execution. So from the is valid execution pin, you drag out the connection and then connect it to your cast node, and then so drag the saber stance variable into the event graph. This time use set so okay, save, compile, save. Now in the still in your blueprint, in your animation blueprint, go to your locomotion state machine. In the auto walk run, you will need two blend spaces. One is for your normal stance, and then so this is the normal standing idle animation, and now you need to create another blend space. I've already created right here. This is the saber stance. And you will need a blend pulses by Boolean node, and then you drag the saber stance variable into the graph and get saber stance. So if the saber stance is true, then you would set it to the saber stance. If it's false, then you set it to the false pose. You use the normal stance. Compile, save. Now I'll go test it out. So that's how you do it.